Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some black beans in the Instant Pot. I have a 16-ounce bag of dried black beans here. Now it says to cook these in 6 cups of water, but I didn't bother measuring it out. I've done this in the Instant Pot quite a few times, so I just filled it about half inch below, or about an inch below the half full mark on the pot there. So I'm just going to dump these in. It says to rinse them and all that stuff, but I just dump them in like that. Do it the easy way. And then we'll get the lid on there. Now I'm going to put this on the pressure cook setting for 32 minutes. We'll get that started. And I'm going to let the pressure release naturally on its own. So it'll probably be sealed in the pot for an hour and a half or 2 hours. Just depends how long it happens to take, but I'll let you guys know how long that takes. It's been an hour and 45 minutes and I just heard the pressure pin drop, so let's open this up and see how they look. Alright, look kind of watery. Let's stir them up a little here. They look good. What I like to do here is take one of these slotted spoons like this and just scoop them out and put them into a bowl, because I like making like burritos and tacos and quesadillas and things with these. So I don't really like all that liquid, all that juice in there. So that's just the way I like to do it. The only thing I'm going to season it with is just some salt. This is kosher salt. So I just add some of that and stir that up a little before I take the beans out. I've tried adding other seasonings. I've even used a Johnny's seasoned pepper, but I kind of like them just plain for what I use them for. So what I like to do now is just take one of these slotted spoons and just put the beans in a bowl. And that way most of the juice there will drain out. Because like I said, I like putting these in tortillas. So I don't really want all that juice. I mean, you can leave it in there if you like, if you want to, if you like it that way, if you just want to eat them in a bowl with all the juice there. But this is the way I like to do it. And these beans are nice and soft because they've been in the pot for an hour and 45 minutes. By the time the pot preheated, went through the cooking cycle, and then the pressure released on its own. So they're nice and soft this way. I don't like crunchy beans. I'll make a quick tostada here just to show you guys how I like to eat these. I put a flour tortilla at the bottom of my 10-inch cast iron skillet there. Spread some of the beans on there. I'll put some cheese on top. Let's put this in my toaster oven real quick. You can make, use them for burritos, quesadillas, whatever you like. Now I'll put this in my toaster oven for a few minutes until the cheese melts. I'm going to use the air fry setting here. It's been 3 or 4 minutes. Let's see how this looks. That looks good to me. I'm going to add a little bit of salsa to this and then we'll try it out. Probably going to go all over the place, make a big mess, but that's alright. Alright. I don't know how I can pick that up. Might have to just fold it over and make like a taco with it. Alright. There we go. Nothing fancy, but it's good, and you can add whatever you like to those. You can mix in meat or just any type of things that you like in Mexican food. I'm not sure how thrilled Annie will be about this. I'll give her a bite with some beans and cheese on there and see what she thinks. Well, I guess it's Annie approved. Black beans are supposed to be pretty healthy and they're pretty inexpensive as well, so that's a plus these days. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.